It's beautiful.
The best thing we ever built.
I wonder if we should add more yellow blocks.
No, I told you it's perfect.
Let's order ourselves a lunch. All this building's made me hungry.
Those little builders shouldn't have left that behind. They've got no idea how much I like to smash things!
That BBJ was yummy.
Your mom makes the best sandwiches. Oh no!
Who would do this?
There's only one person who would do something this mean, the Smasher.
Let's rebuild it. You know, this might be better than the last one.
I agree. Let's go take a nap so we could show our parents.
Now we get to smash some more. That'll show them the Smasher always smashes.
We got silly.
I'm tired.
Oh man!
This is so mean. He did it again.
We gotta set a trap for him. It's the only way we can stop him.
I have an idea.
I like to smash things.
Why do you keep smashing our tower? We worked really hard on it.
I'm the Smasher. I smash.
Need to respect other people's things.
Okay, I will. I'm sorry.
We forgive you.
Hey, Smash, I want to do something fun.
Yeah!